Hello students, how are you? Students, I hope you all are fine and safe. So students, today this is your maths class. Today's our topic is repeated addition of 9. Repeated addition, as you know, I explained you earlier, repeated addition means when we add one number many times, that means it's repeated addition, and these repeated addition makes our table. Okay, so today our repeated addition of 9. So first I will start with 1 time 9. 1 time 9 is equal to 1 time 9 is equal to 9, and it in the table form we can write it 9 1 is. Okay, second is 2 time 9, so 9 plus 9, 2 times 9 is equal to 18, and in table form we can write like this 9 twos are. Okay, so now 3 times 9, 3 times 9 means 18 plus 1 more 9. 2 times 9 is equal to 18, and when we add one more 9 in it, so it will become 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 3 times 9 is equal to 27, and in table form we can write like this 3 times 9. Okay, now 4 times 9, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4. 4 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Now when we add one more 9 in 27, it becomes 4 times 9. Okay, so 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 4 times 9 equal to 36, and in table form you can write like this. Okay, now 5 times 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Now when we add one more 9 in 36, it becomes 5 times 9. 36 plus 9, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 5 times 9 will become 45, and in table form we can write like this 5 times 9. Okay, and answer will be this 5 times 9 will be 45. Okay, now 6 times 9, 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, this become 9 times 9. When 5 times 9 is equal to 45, when we add 9 one more 9 in 45, it will become 45, 46, 47, 48, 48, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 6 times 9 become 54, and in table form you can write like this 9 6 are. Okay, now 7 times 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 6 times 9 is equal to 54. When we add one more 9 in 54, it will become 7 times 9. 54 plus 9, 56, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. It will become 63. 7 times 9 will become 63, and in table form you can write like this. Okay, now 9 times 9, 9 plus 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 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 9 will become 63 plus 1, when we add one more 9, it will become 899. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. 9 times 9 will become 72, and in table form we can write like this: 9 8s are. Okay students, so now 9 times 9s: 1 plus 9 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 plus 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 times 9 will become 72. 8 times 9 is 72, and 9 times 9, 72 plus 9, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. 9 times 9 will become 81, and in table form you can write like this: 9 9s are. 9 times 9s. Okay, now 10 times 9s: 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 9, 9, and 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One more is equal to, so 9 times 9 will become 81. When we will add one more 9 in 81, it will become 10 times 9. 81 plus 9, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So 10 times 9 will become 90, and in table form you can write like this: 10 times 9. So students, this repeated addition is a long method of addition. Okay, so to avoid this long addition method of addition, okay, we use this table method. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब कि ये जो रिपीटेड एडिशन है ये लॉन्ग मेथड है एडिशन करने का। हम ठीक है, एक ही नंबर को कितने बार हम ऐड करके जो है वो उसका आंसर लेते हैं, बट ये एक बहुत लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर है। तो इस लॉन्ग मेथड से बचने के लिए और अपने टाइम को अपने यूटिलाइज करने के लिए हम इन टेबल्स को लर्न करते हैं। इस रिपीटेड एडिशन की जगह इन टेबल के फॉर्म में हम टेबल इसे यूज़ करते हैं, सो दैट कि हम इस लॉन्ग एडिशन के मेथड से बच सकें और हमारा टाइम भी है जो वो बच सके। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो I hope के what is repeated addition and why we avoid this repeated addition and we use this table form. So today your homework is also on the base of this explanation. Okay, today our homework is table of 9. So let's see what is in that. So students, this is your worksheet. First of all, COVID-19 appropriate behavior that you will follow at home. Wear mask, आपको मास्क पहनना है। जब भी आप अपने घर से बाहर जाएंगे आपको मास्क पहन के जाना है। देन फॉलो फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग, आप जब भी भीड़ वाली जगह में या ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में जाएंगे तो आपको क्या करना है, फिजिकल डिस्टेंस बना के रखना है। मतलब आपको दूर दूर रहना है, बिल्कुल पास पास खड़े नहीं होना है। ठीक है, देन मेंटेन हैंड हाइजीन। मेंटेन हैंड हाइजीन मीन्स आपको जो है अपने हाथों को बार बार सोप से और वाटर से 20 सेकेंड्स के लिए धोना है। ठीक है, और अगर आप ऐसी जगह में हैं जहाँ आप सोप और वाटर का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं तो वहाँ पर आपको सैनिटाइजर्स का यूज़ करना है और अपने डर्टी हैंड से आपने अपनी आईज, नोज़ और लिप्स को टच नहीं करना है। Okay students, so these are some COVID-19 appropriate behaviors. I hope you all are follow them at home. Okay students, so next is this is your सबमिटेड वर्कशीट। आपको ये वर्क जो है वो सबमिट करना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब आप वर्क स्टार्ट करेंगे यू विल राइट डेट ऑन द टॉप। ओके, देन योर होमवर्क इज राइट द टेबल ऑफ 9. आई एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज द टेबल ऑफ 9 in the form of repeated addition. Now I will teach you how you will write the table of 9. First is 9, 1 is 9, same 1 time 9 is equal to 9, then 2 times 9 is equal to 18, 3 times 9 is equal to 21, 4 times 9 are equal to yes, tell me. 4 times 9 is equal to, okay students, 3 times 9 is equal to 27 and 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Then 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Then 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Then 7 times 9 is equal to 63. Then 8 times 9 is equal to 72. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. And 10 times 9 is equal to 90. So this is how you will write the table. And how you will learn the table? That is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Okay students, so this is how you will write the table, and you will write it in your notebook and submit it on time and learn this table of 9 also. Okay, thank you and have a good day.